Building and repairing personal credit, a quick guide. Credit is a crucial financial tool that allows individuals to borrow money and make purchases and determines your eligibility for loans, mortgages, credit cards, cars, apartments, jobs, and more. Tip: beware of credit fixing ads that offer to wipe your credit clean by charging you a fee. Understand most are fakes and the rest don't complete any action you could not have taken on your own and for free. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to repair your credit, this step-by-step guide will provide you with practical strategies to build and improve your credit score. Step 1. Understand how credit works. Credit is typically represented by a 3-digit number known as a credit score, which is based on your credit history, payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit. Higher credit scores indicate better creditworthiness. Tip: understand that credit rewards you for continuously borrowing money, spending it, and repaying it timely. You may find that you lose points by paying off credit cards and refraining from using them or closing them. Step 2. Review your current credit report and keep an eye on your scores. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Check for any errors, incorrect information, or fraudulent accounts. Dispute any inaccuracies to ensure your credit report reflects your true financial status. Tip: you can get a free report once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Learn more about your report at usa.gov to calculate your credit score. Credit bureaus analyze information from your credit report, including your payment history, outstanding debts, credit limits, length of credit history, and recent credit inquiries. They apply complex algorithms to these factors, resulting in a 3-digit credit score ranging from 300 to 850. Higher is better. Here's how your actions are weighted to calculate your main score model, but keep in mind there can be many types of credit scores. Payment history makes up 35%, credit utilization 30%, length of credit history 15%, credit mix 10%, and 10% for new credit. Now on to number 3. Step 3. Establish a strong foundation. If you're new to credit or have a limited credit history, there are a few methods to establish a solid foundation. A. Secured credit cards. Apply for a secured credit card, such as the Discover It Registered Secured or Capital One Secured MasterCard, which require a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. Tip: credit unions may offer these and generally offer the best terms and conditions, but always shop around. B. Credit builder loans. Consider a credit builder loan from institutions like Self-Lender or Credit Strong and are specifically designed to help individuals build credit. You make monthly payments, and once the loan is paid off, you receive the funds along with an improved credit history. Tip: credit unions generally offer the best terms and conditions, but always shop around. Step 4. Use credit responsibly. Keep your inquiries to a minimum. Once you've established a foundation, it's important to use credit wisely to build a positive credit history. Here are some effective strategies. A. Keep credit utilization low. Aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit at any given time. High credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score. Pay your credit card balances in full each month or keep them as low as possible. B. Payment history. Pay all your bills on time, including credit card payments, loans, and utility bills. Late payments can significantly harm your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. C. Diversify credit mix. Consider adding different types of credit to your profile. Step 5. Advanced strategies for credit repair. If you're focused on repairing your credit, consider these additional techniques. A. The shopping cart trick. The shopping cart trick is a method to obtain store credit cards without a hard credit inquiry. This can help build positive credit history. Essentially, while making an online purchase, add items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Look for a pre-qualified credit offer, and if available, accept it. This can help you establish credit and increase your credit limit. Tips: Community and Synchrony bank-based cards work best for this trick. Search online for the most recent list of cards to choose from. You must disable pop-up blocker before attempting and be sure the information you enter matches the information already in your credit file. Using this check usually results in a soft pull of credit if it asks for your full social chances, or it will be a hard pull. B. Credit consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest credit card debts or loans, consider consolidating them into a single loan or credit card with a lower interest rate. This allows you to simplify your payments and potentially save on interest charges. C. Write letters to request removal of late payments. If you've caught up on overdue payments, you can write a goodwill letter to your creditors, explaining the circumstances that led to the late payments and requesting their removal from your credit report. While not guaranteed, some creditors may grant your request, thereby improving your credit history. Here are a couple scenarios that might help you with your credit build. Scenario 1. Building credit quickly for someone with no credit. Meet Alex, a recent college graduate who has never had a credit card or taken out a loan. Alex wants to build credit quickly to improve their financial opportunities. Here's a plan to help Alex establish credit. Open a secured credit card. Alex applies for a secured credit card like the Discovered Registered Secured, with a security deposit of $500, which becomes their credit limit. Alex uses the card responsibly, making small purchases each month and paying the balance in full and on time. Become an authorized user. Alex asks a trusted family member or friend with good credit to add them as an authorized user on their credit card account. This allows Alex to benefit from the positive payment history associated with that account. Apply for a credit builder loan. To diversify their credit mix, Alex applies for a credit builder loan from a reputable institution like Self-Lender. By making regular monthly payments, Alex builds a positive payment history and demonstrates responsible credit behavior. Keep credit utilization low. Alex makes sure to use only a small portion of their available credit limit and pays off the balances in full each month. This helps keep their credit utilization ratio low, which positively impacts their credit score. Scenario 2. Repairing credit for someone with a 450 credit score, late payments, and collections. Here's a plan to help Sarah repair their credit. Address delinquent accounts. Sarah contacts their creditors to negotiate payment plans or settlements for any outstanding collections or delinquent accounts. Get a secured credit card. Sarah applies for a secured credit card specifically designed for individuals with poor credit, such as the Capital One Secured MasterCard. Write goodwill letters. Sarah writes goodwill letters to their creditors, explaining the circumstances behind their late payments and requesting the removal of those negative entries from their credit report. While not guaranteed, some creditors may be willing to remove the late payments as a gesture of goodwill. Establish positive payment history. Sarah ensures all their bills, including credit card payments and utilities, are paid on time. Building and repairing personal credit requires time, patience, and responsible financial habits. By following the steps outlined above, you can establish a strong credit foundation, use credit wisely, and implement advanced strategies to repair and improve your credit score. And thanks for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video or podcast, please like and subscribe or consider helping us grow and be ad-free by visiting us at Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. You can find the links in the description below. Wishing you financial freedom and success. Thank you for watching. Building and repairing personal credit, a quick guide. Credit is a